Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you some Excel formula hacks. Go to your Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop. Start with the basic formulas like sum, subtraction, multiplication, divide, percentage, and more. There are 3 methods to do a sum in Microsoft Excel. Add the values in the cell to use the sum function. For example, I added a column for Johnny and another for Harry. To obtain the total amount for both, select the cell. With the sum formula equals sum and select the cells you want to sum, press enter and you will get the sum of the selected cells. For the other column, do the same process. First, enter the sum function and select the cells. For the subtraction function, I add the net salary column. You have to enter the subtraction formula and start with the equal sign in. Add the cell address of the first value, put minus sign, then enter the cell address of the second value. Press enter and you will get the subtraction result in the cell. Do the same process for the other cells, or you can drag the cell down in which the formula is written. For the division of the cells, start the formula with the sign in. Enter the cell address of the first value and put the slash sign. Then enter the cell address of the second value. Press enter to view the results of the division function. You can multiply the values by doing the same process with an asterisk sign. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.